Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy without tomato. To start, gather your ingredients, focusing on rich pan drippings from roasted meats, or use a good quality butter or oil. This foundational fat is crucial for developing deep flavor. You'll also need all-purpose flour and a savory liquid like chicken or beef broth. A whisk and a saucepan are your essential tools for achieving a smooth, lump-free gravy. Let's get cooking. The secret to a great gravy without tomato begins with a perfectly cooked roux. First, heat about 2 tablespoons of your chosen fat, like pan drippings or butter, in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking for 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture turns a light golden brown. This step cooks out the raw flour taste and creates a nutty, flavorful base for your gravy. Now it's time to transform your roux into a luscious gravy. Gradually pour in about 2 cups of warm chicken or beef broth, whisking constantly to ensure a smooth, lump-free consistency. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, continuing to stir frequently. As it simmers, the gravy will begin to thicken. If it becomes too thick, simply add a little more broth until it coats the back of a spoon beautifully. The final step is to season your gravy to perfection. Taste and add salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. For an extra layer of depth, you might consider a dash of Worcestershire sauce or a pinch of dried thyme. If you prefer an exceptionally smooth gravy, pass it through a fine mesh sieve. Serve your rich, savory, and tomato-free gravy warm over your favorite dishes, like roasted turkey or creamy mashed potatoes. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.